Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Build a B-1 Bomber. I told you we'd bring y'all to this storage unit. Man, where do you start? Here's something cool. Oh, there's a Huey mold. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
He's got some vertical takeoff stuff in there too. There's a mold for a spinner off of Sea Fury. A real one. I don't know what that is. That's the base plate there. And there's the spinner part back there. So any of y'all want a spinner for your Sea Fury, we can hook you up. What is that? It's like an engine nacelle. Off of something.
609 nacelle.
There's some more spinners. That's the plug off his original B-58, which we're doing different next time. This is one of them vertical takeoff things, ain't it? Oh.
Yeah, it's a quad rotor. It's 4-engine tilt rotor.
4-engine tilt rotor. Man, that looks like a bomb, man. Looks like one of them nuclear things.
Here's one that's finished. Just need to be painted.
What, your spinner?
Yeah.
That guy at Breckenridge, he had one of them. What's that off of?
B-36 nose.
Oh yeah, that's the nose. Yeah, there's the B-36 mold right there. It starts at that back wall, travels through that junk. It comes out there. How long is that? It's got to be 12 foot. 14 foot B-36. Is that right? B-36?
B-36,
Huh.
There's Randy's second.
Some honeycomb. Yeah, that's that Cessna plug. Randy's for that rudder I've been working on.
There's a 100-foot parachute.
A what?
100-foot parachute.
100-foot parachute.
For cargo chute. What's that mold right there? That's an aileron for a Corsair.
Oh, an aileron for a Corsair. Man, what's this?
It's a section of a tilt rotor. Yeah, the V-22.
V-22. This just looks like one of Bell's helicopters.
407.
Oh, is that the plug for this?
Yeah.
Here you go, John. That's cool.
John likes helicopters, don't he?
Huh?
John likes helicopters, don't he?
Yeah. Yeah, is that a little swish supposed to be in there?
Yeah.
Oh, for the torque.
Yep. Pretty good twist in there.
Yeah, there is. Huh. That's cool. That is cool. What do you use this honeycomb stuff for, Butch?
It goes on the back plate of this. Fairing that goes on the motor of the Sea Fury. It's got honeycomb in there.
Oh yeah, that's what that is. Huh. There's a Bell helicopter in that box. Huh, this is cool. What's this white thing down in there? Man, people, this stuff is just buried in here. Oh, yeah, let's open that box.
never gave to them. Got it ready and they didn't need it.
Man, there's just stuff piled in there. I'm gonna spin her off of something.
Sanford Son.
One man's trash is another man's treasure. What's this back here? Is that for that tilt rotor?
Yeah, this is the back wing.
And what's this?
That's the wing for the tilt rotor. This one's what they call a quad rotor. It's bigger than a C-130.
Did they ever get any real ones flying?
No, they're still working on it. Actually, they are working on the program. I don't know what's going on with it.
Once you built them a big old model?
Mm-hmm. David Hudson made that.
Oh, really? Is this that black surface coat stuff you... Oh. More choppers back there. What's that helicopter? With the wood on it.
That's a Cobra also.
Man, there's a bunch of them. There's a couple more back there. Oh, there you go, people. You've seen it all now. Well, what do you think? That's a pretty good junk collection.
That's a pretty good chunk. I'm gonna use this.
What's this here?
That's a TT-1.
Chopper?
No, a TT-1, old trainer. Old jet trainer.
Oh, really?
What, you don't have a canopy more for that, do you?
No,
David Hudson?
I didn't realize you had that mold over here.
Does it have like a boomerang style setup, or?
No, it's got just a boom.
I got some pictures of it.
Where's the wing go?
The wing goes right here.
And then,
It's a mid-wing. It's an old jet trainer from the late 50s, early 60s.
oh hell, that'd be a cool plane to build right there. What, the booms come out the back?
The boom goes there, and that's the engine.
That'd be cool looking. Who made it? What was that for?
Vought made it years ago. They actually rebuilt one in Breckenridge, but rebuilt the real one.
The real one? That's kind of cool looking.
Remember that. Little bomblet for a missile mold we made years ago.
Huh. Well, that's some cool stuff, but we're out of time. Tune in later for some more Bob TV. We might even hit you with a sharp pencil.
Keep it sharp.
Keep it sharp. Tune in later for some Bob TV. Same Bob time, same Bob station.